Yeah, welcome students. In yesterday class, we discussed about the method of variation of parameters. So using method of variation of parameters, we can solve the second order linear differential equations with variable coefficients. That to non-homogeneous differential equations. So just let us recall once again the method. What is the method? The working algorithm is first to find the YC part for the given equation. Suppose a naught x into d square y plus a1 x into dy plus a2 of x into y is equal to r of x. Then to find the solution of this non-homogeneous differential equation, first step we have to write the complete solution, that is y is equal to yc plus yp, where yc is complementary function and yp is particular solution. So yc part you know very well how to find the yc part. Yc part given by auxiliary equation, solving auxiliary equation. Find the roots. A small disturbance is there, ma. Please try to respond it. Yeah. So first step, find the yc. So yt generally suppose second order equation, then yc containing two functions. Two functions, c1 into y1x plus c2 into y2. That is the yc part. Complementary function containing two solutions with two arbitrary constants, c1 into y1 plus c2 into y2. So where c1, c2 are constants and y1, y2 are linearly independent solutions. These two functions are linearly independent solutions. Okay, means their Wronskian is non-zero. So according to Wronskian definition, if the functions are linearly independent, then their Wronskian tool value is non-zero. So obviously we get non-zero for w of y1 comma y2. Okay. So next, so find the Wronskian here only, because we are going to use this operator, this value in the further steps. Okay. So now once we find yc part, then using y1, y2 find the Wronskian. Then you go for yp. So we discussed number of methods for yp in the previous classes using for exponential function, trigonometric functions, and algebraic functions, and the combination of exponential algebraic, combination of exponential and trigonometric, and the combination of algebraic and trigonometric. But in this method, the method of variation of parameter, yp given by the direct formula a into y1 plus b into y2. Here, same y1, y2, whatever the function in yc, we are using those same function in yp. y1 into something plus y2 into something. But these are not constants. Actually, in yc, we have c1 into y1, c2 into y2 only. But in yp, we have, in place of c1, we write a of x. అంటే అక్కడ పారామీటర్, ఇక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ వేరియబుల్ అంటే the parameter is going to variable, become variable here. So we give variable values to parameters. That's why the method is called variation of parameters. Okay, and the parameters are going to variate in this method. So yp formula a of x into y1 plus b of x into y2. అంటే c1 ని a తో రిప్లై చేయండి, c2 ని b తో రిప్లై చేయండి. That is the formula for yp. But what is this a value, b value? So they are given by direct formulas. A value, b value given by the formulas. Derivation is there, ma, in BS Grewal book and Iyengar book. This derivation is very simple derivation. You can check in the books. Okay, but not important derivation. But remember formulas. Formula chala important. A value ఏంటంటే minus integration of y2 into r of x by w. What is r of x ante? In the given differential equation, whatever the right hand side function, that is your r of x. See this. That is your function r of x. Right hand side function, that is r, denoted with r. So in the formula for a and b, the r is common. Numerator lo r ఉంటుంది. But in a, r into y2 by w. In b, r into y1 by w. See the difference. R into y2. Y2 actually y2 is the coefficient of b in yp. And y1 is the coefficient of a. అంటే a లో y2 ఉంటుంది, b లో y1 ఉంటుంది. See this difference. So a is equal to minus integration of y2 into r by w dx, and b is equal to integration y1 into r by w. And remember, A have negative sign, B is positive. Remember these two formulas. Once we find A and B, just substitute them in YP, then YC plus YP gives complete solution. This is the procedure we discussed yesterday, and also we did one problem on this. Let's discuss one more problem on the same method. The question is, solve y double dash minus 2y dash minus 3y is equal to e power x. Examination law, it will be mentioned amma, by the method of variation of parameter. We can solve it using the previous method. Exponential unte easy. So I am not doing this. It is easy, no problem. Let's choose tough problem. No need. This one. If direct method one you play because there are the exponential functions on the right side. Easy. Suppose that is mentioned by method of variation of parameter, use the same method. Yeah. Let's do this problem. Solve the differential equation d square plus 4 into y of y is equal to secant 2x. Yesterday we discussed about tan function on the right side. Today this one secant function. Okay. Solve the differential equation d square plus of 4 of y is equal to secant 2x. Now by the method of variation of parameter. As usual, first to write the equation in the symbolic form. Actually, so question given in symbolic form. So write the function form f of d of y is equal to r of x. Mention what is f of d square plus 4, or what is r secant 2x. Now go for solution. First part yc. What is yc? Solving auxiliary equation. F of m is equal to 0. That means m square plus 4 is equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 4. Means m is equal to plus or minus 2i. So we get complex roots here. Real part 0, imaginary part 2, plus 2 minus 2. For plus 2i, cos 2x, as we know that, and for minus 2a, the corresponding solution is sin 2x. So finally, the yc is c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Okay. Now once we completed, we find the yc. Now go for non-scan of the independent solutions. Y1, denote y1 with cos 2x and sin 2x with y2. Find the w of y1, y2. Y2, w nothing but determinant y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. Now find the value, what we get 2. 2 is the answer. Expanding the date, we get 2 as answer. So 2 non-zero, obviously non-zero vasundi, but number ante chusukondi 2. We get 2 here. Now, hence y1, y2 are linearly independent solution of no need to mention this part, Dhamma. No need. Obviously, they are independent always. If the differential equation of linear differential equation, then its solutions are always linearly independent. No doubt. Obvious that is okay. So no need to mention this point here. Just to find the Wronskian. What is the Wronskian value? W 2 enough. Now let us go for YP part, particular solution. So according to variation of parameter method, YP is equal to AX into Y1 plus B of X into Y2. Now formula for A, integration minus integration y2r by w dx, substitute y2 into ikkada sin vachindi, and what is r secant 2x, sin into secant by 2. Sin into secant edamma, sin into secant ante tan vastundi, nothing but tan. So but 9 minus sign undi akkada ante adi log tan vastundi. Okay, tan means integration of tan is log secant, but outside negative sign undi, so log cos vastundi. Log of 1 by secant nothing but log of cos 2x. So the final answer is 1 by 4 log cos 2x. This is A of x. Now go for B of x. What is B of x? Y1 into R by W. What is the Y1? Cos 2x. What is R? Secant 2x. W 2. So cos into secant, you know that is 1. So integration 1 by 2x. Nothing but x by 2. 1 minute, ma. Okay, students. Yeah. So b value is cos into secant by 2. That is 1 by 2. Answer is x by 2. Now substitute a value, that is 1 by 4 log cos 2x, and b value 1 by 2x in the yp part. Now we get yp here. Now finally, the complete solution of the given differential equation is yc plus yp. Some problems are given in this work. Please try to practice these questions. Okay, and now I am going to do one problem on paper on the same method. That is just a tough move. Okay. See the problem, Sharma. First question, exponential part. We can do it using earlier methods. Second question, secant to x. The only method is method of variation of parameter. Third question, exponential function. We can do this. Fourth question, cos function. We can do this using previous method. Fifth problem, secant. Secant compulsory method of variation of parameter. Sixth, cos. Seventh, tan. Eighth, common method 4, exponential into trigonometric. Ninth, method 4, exponential trigonometric. But 10th చూడండి, 10th is tough. This is not algebraic, inverse function. Exponential into algebraic కాదు, exponential into inverse function. E power minus 3x into x ఉంటే you can do, but e power minus 3x by x ఉంది. So this type of function, this type of equations సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి కంపల్సరీ మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ వేరియేషన్ ఆఫ్ పారామీటర్. ఓకే, నో ఐ గోయింగ్ టు డూ 10th ప్రాబ్లం అమ్మా. 10th ప్రాబ్లం మోడల్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, షేర్ మై స్క్రీన్. హాయ్ రామ్. Is my presentation visible, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. Last question model. We will complete. The question is, solve the differential equation y double dash minus 6y dash plus 9y is equal to e power 3x by x square. This is not comes under method 4, ma. Method 4 అనేది e power 3 into x square ఉంటే that is method 4. This is different from that. The only method is variation of parameter only applicable for this type of equations to solve it. Okay. So now this is the question. So solve the differential equation using the method of variation of parameter. First step. Let us write symbolic form of first y double dash ante d square minus y dash ante 6d plus 9. Completely just take y outside is equal to e power 3x by x square. So f of d of y is equal to e power 3x by x square. Now, according to method of variation of parameter, the solution is yc plus yp. Just to go through procedure, step by step, examination, practice the same method, working procedure. Okay. First step, write the complete solution. yc plus yp. So first let us find yc. Yc means complementary function. What is the procedure? Auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation? F of m is equal to 0. So what's that? So now auxiliary equation, yeah, f of m is equal to 0. Now write the equation. D square minus 6d, sorry, m square, okay. 6d plus this to d అనేది my m తో రిప్లై చేయాలి యాక్చువల్గా. Now solving the roots ఏమొస్తామా m minus 3 whole square వస్తుంది యాక్చువల్లీ. This is not the m. m is equal to 0. Now m is equal to 3 comma 3. Now repeat set roots are we got. The roots are real and repeated. Now tell me students, tell me what is the corresponding solution ma?
c1 plus c2x into e power 3x.
Very good. Now let us write clearly. C1 into e power 3x వచ్చింది plus C2 into x e power 3x. So yc is equal to C1 into e power 3x plus C2 into x into e power 3x. And it is around the C1 into y1, C2 into y2. What is y1? y1 is equal to e power 3x and y2 is equal to x into e power 3x. So obviously these two are independent because y1 is equal to, sorry, y2 is equal to x into y1 వచ్చింది అంటే the ratio is function again. Ratio is not constant. So these two functions are linearly independent. అంటే Wronskian non-zero ఉంటుంది. First let us find the Wronskian here. What is the Wronskian? Compulsory Wronskian. Wronskian is very important. What is the use of Wronskian? We can find the nature of two functions or three functions, any number of functions, whether they are dependent or independent. If the Wronskian value non-zero, they are independent. Wronskian is 0, then they are dependent. Okay, right. Let us find the value. y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. Work. E power 3x, x into e power 3x. Now differentiation 3 into e power 3x. Here 3x to e power 3x plus e power 3x. Now expand that it. Anyway, e power 3x common here, e power 3x common. Taking e power 3x outside, for first column e power 3x, second column e power 3x taken, we get e power 6x. Now the remaining that is 1, 3, here x, 3x plus 1. Now expanding which, we get e power 6x into 3x plus 1 minus 3x is equal to 3x minus 3x cancel e power 6x we get. This is the Wronskian. Okay students, the Wronskian of the independent solutions are e power 6x. Now let us use this in the further step. Now next step, write the yp. What is yp? Yp is according to variation of parameter method ax into y1 plus b of x into y2. This is the yp. What is a, what is b? We need y1, we know y1 is e power 3x, y2 is x into e power 3x, but a value, b value we need to find. So what is the formula for a of x? A is equal to integration. Students, you tell me what is the formula? Anybody?
y2 of x into r of x by w.
R of x. So r of x అనేది నేను అక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయాలి యాక్చువల్లీ సపోజ్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై ద నెంబర్ బట్ ఐ ఫర్గెట్. ఇనిషియల్లీ చెప్పాలి r అంటే ఇది ఇక్కడ e పవర్ 3x by x square. Substitute చేద్దాం. Minus y2 is x into e power 3x e power 3x into r of x is e power 3x by x square by Wronskian is e power 6x into dx. Now see the students, e power 3x, e power 3x, e power cancel అవుతుంది. x by x square అంటే 1 by x. So we get minus 1 by x dx. Implies minus log x. Implies 1 by log of 1 by x వస్తుంది. Let us write this like this. ఇలా ఉండాలి. E value minus log x. Similarly, let us find b value. B of x is equal to, the formula is y1 into r by Wronskian into dx.
Sir, A of x is
A of x, okay. What is the formula for A of x? y2 into r by w, okay, na? Minus r. y2 means x into e power 3x. r means e power 3x by x square. w is e power 6x. Every term you know.
question లో divided by x ఉంది కదా, x square కావాలనుకుంటా.
యా నేను చూజ్ చేసిన క్వశ్చన్లో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఉందమ్మా, అందులో ఉన్నది ఎక్స్ ఉంది. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, జస్ట్ మోడల్ చెప్తున్నాను, ఓకేనా? అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ సేమ్ మోడల్, బట్ జస్ట్ దేర్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ హియర్, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది. సీ ద క్వశ్చన్ ప్రాపర్, ఓకే? ఈ పోర్ 3x, ఈ పోర్ 3x, ఈ పోర్ 6x కామన్ ఎక్స్ బై, సో ఎక్స్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, సపోజ్ 1 క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఎక్స్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఎక్స్ బై ఎక్స్ 1 వస్తుంది. బట్ నేను తీసుకున్న క్వశ్చన్లో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, సీ దట్. సో ఎక్స్ బై ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ 1 by x, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ 1 by x log x minus log x. Now okay, ma? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let us go to b value, b part. Now b is equal to not this is plus sign. చూడండి, a లో నెగటివ్ సైన్ ఉంది, b లో ఓన్లీ పాజిటివ్. y1 r by w. What is y1, ma? E power 3x. And r of x is e power 3x by x square by, what is w? E power 6x dx. Obviously e power 3x, e power 3x, e power 6x common అవుతుంది. Now the remaining is 1 by x square. Yeah, what is the formula? 1 by x square is minus 1 by x, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
b value, right? So a value minus log of x and b value minus 1 by x. Substituting yp, ab and values, we get yp is equal to, ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయండి, సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ ఏబి వాల్యూస్ ఇన్ వైపీ వి గెట్ వైపీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఈ పవర్ 3x ప్లస్ బి ఆల్సో నెగిటివ్ సైన్ వచ్చింది, సో 1 by x ఇంటూ ఈ పవర్ 3x. x gets cancelled, okay? So finally we can write the shortest form, minus e power 3x into 1 plus log x. 1 plus, wait. See the difference. Minus e power 3x into 1 plus log x. Common take this. Taking e power 3x common, we get this. This is yp part. But what is the solution? Solution means y plus yc plus yp. Now the final solution is yc plus yp. That means what is yc? C1 e power 3x plus C2 e power x into e power 3x minus e power 3x into 1 plus log x. This is the complete solution of the given problem according to the method of variation of parameters. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So shall we discuss one more problem? Okay na, enough. ఇంకా చేయమంటారా అంత మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ వేరియేషన్ పారామీటర్? నిన్న ఒకటి చెప్పాను, ఈరోజు చెప్పాను, ఒకటి టీపీలో చెప్పాను. టోటల్లీ వి డిస్కస్ 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ మోర్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. Will we go for other the next topic or continue this? Student, please respond now.
Next topic.
Be okay, ఇంకోటి చెప్పాలా?
Yes.
Right. So feel free. 1 minute. సార్ ఒక అసైన్మెంట్ కూడా సార్ పాత ఏదైనా పాత నోట్బుక్ ఏదైనా అసైన్మెంట్ ఓల్డ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. Yeah. Now, students, let us discuss one more problem. This is also interesting problem. Question is y double dash minus 2y dash plus 2y is equal to x to tan x. Sorry, e power x to tan x. E power x tan x. So method 4 lo e power x into sin x we discuss. E power x into ax into sin cos, but this is e power x into tan function. Okay, right. So as usual, according to method of variation of parameter, the solution formula yc plus yp. Before this, let us write the equation in the symbolic form. Symbolic form is d square minus 2d plus 2 of y is equal to e power x to tan x. Yeah, this is your R. R into the e power x into tan x is R. Okay, right. First step, let us find the yc. Yc means auxiliary equation. That is f of m is equal to 0. Nothing but m square minus 2m 0. Solving which we get m is equal to 2 plus or minus root over 4 minus b square minus 4ac, 8 by 2, which implies 2 plus or minus 4 minus 8 అంటే root minus 4 అంటే 2i by 2. We get 1 plus or minus I. A plus or minus IB. What is the formula? Corresponding solution. We get complex conjugate roots. YC. చెప్పడమ్మా.
E power 1x
X into
C1 into cos x plus C2 into sin x.
Very good. So Y1. So what is Y1 here? Our Y1 is, so we get YC is equal to C1 Y1 plus C2 Y2. Yeah. Our Y1 is cos x and Y2 is sin. Cosine function and sine function both are orthogonal functions. They are always independent. Okay? Linearly
E power
independent.
x would also.
E power x ఉంది కదా? Oh, right. What is it there? Yeah. Okay. E power x into e power x into y1 is e power x into cos x and y2 is e power x into sin x. Now let us find the Wronskian. Immediately find the Wronskian. Okay. Now we get e power x into cos x, e power x into ఇక్కడ కామా ఉండదు డిటర్మినెంట్ లో sin x and e power x into cos x derivation అమ్మా e power x into minus sin x plus cos x అంటే ఇక్కడ e power x into cos minus sin. And one more element, ఇక్కడ ఈ element corresponds second 2 element e power x into sin plus cos. E power x into Sine plus cos. Students, now you see the determinant 2 by 2. First element e power x cos x, e power x sin x, ఇక్కడ e power x into cos minus sin x, ఇక్కడ e power x into sin plus cos x. So let us shift to e power x to e power x outside, e power 2x will remain outside. Now here cos x and sin x, ఇక్కడ cos minus sin, ఇక్కడ sin plus cos. Now expanding this determinant and simplifying, finally we get e power 2x. See students, cos into sin plus cos square. అంటే cos sin plus cos square. ఇక్కడ sin into cos minus sin into cos plus cos అవుతుంది. And minus sin into minus అంటే plus. So finally we get cos square plus sin square వస్తుంది. Cos into sin minus cos into sin cancel అవుతుంది. Remaining cos square x plus sin square. Finally we get e power 2x. This is our Wronskian. Okay. Now let us go to yp part. Yp. Once we get find our w, then go for yp part. What is yp? A of x into y1 plus b of x into y2. Now what is a, what is b? We have to find. That is the work in the observational parameter. So w is equal to r by w. Now minus, what is y2 ma? E power x sin x into, what is the w? What is the r value? E power x kada, e power x tan x by Wronskian is e power 2x. E power 2x, e power x, e power x dx. Now we get minus of sin into tan. Tan is sin by cos కనుక sin square వస్తుంది. My sin square ఏమో 1 minus cos square minus of 1 minus cos square x by cos integration dx, which implies integration 1 by cos secant minus cos. Now integrating which we get, so let us shift to minus sign inside. ఇది minus secant వస్తుంది, ఇది plus cos వస్తుంది. Integrating minus secant and what is the integration of minus secant? Sorry, secant.
Log mod secant x plus tan x.
Right. Log mod secant x plus tan. Plus integration of cos is sin. So plus sin. So this is our A value. Now let us go for B of x. B of x is y1 r by w dx. y1. What is y1? E power x cos x. Into r is e power x into tan x by w dx. Now it implies, so w e power 2x, e power 2x, e power 2x, e power x, e power gets cancelled. Finally, tan into cos is nothing but sin is equal to minus cos. This is b. B value, a value. Substitute a and b values in the formula yp. Then yc plus yp gives complete solution. Is it okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now let's go to the method of reduction of order. Next method. Yesterday నేను ఈసీ వాళ్ళకి చెప్పాను ఇది మెథడ్, బట్ మెకానికల్ వాళ్ళకి చెప్పలేదు. జస్ట్ ఒక్కసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నామా. మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ రిడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్డర్. రిడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్డర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం, వీఆర్ డిక్రీజింగ్ ద ఆర్డర్. జనరల్లీ దిస్ మెథడ్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ ఉంది, మన సిలబస్ సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ ఉంది. సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్, homogeneous. So this is method used for homogeneous second order linear differential equations with variable coefficients. Variable. Yes. This is the method used to solve homogeneous second order linear differential equations with variable. And ఎలా ఉంటుందని చూడండి ఇక్కడ method is like this. A naught x into y double dash plus some function number k1 into a1x into y dash plus some constant k2 into a2 of x into y is equal to 0 on the right side. 0 అంటే homogeneous. Second y double dash second order. LDE linear y double dash coefficient. The degree of y double dash is 1. So linear differential equation with variable coefficient in the a naught of x, a1 of x. These are functions, variables. So it is called homogeneous second order linear differential equation with variable coefficients. So to solve this type of equations, we are using method of reduction of order. So in the method of reduction of order, what is the procedure we have to apply? First of all, this is second order equation, and then we supposed to find yc only. Yc ఉంటుంది right ఉంటుంది. Yc ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే c1 y1 plus c2 y2. This is a solution process, standard form. We supposed to get a solution in this form. c1 into y1, c2 into y2, where y1, y2 both are linearly independent solutions. This thing we know this, okay? So y1 into y2 into మనం find చేస్తాం. Okay? Suppose the equation is constant coefficient equation, we can find the auxiliary equation and solving the roots for auxiliary equation. Depends on the root, we can write the solution. But this is not constant coefficient equation. This is variable coefficient equation. So we cannot write to f of d. F of d రాయలేరు మీరు. We cannot write f of d form. F of d అంటే కాన్స్టెంట్స్ ఉంటేనే f of d రాస్తాం. బట్ ఇక్కడ x టర్మ్స్ ఉంటాయి. So it's not possible to write f of d. So we cannot find f of m is equal to 0 equation. Okay? So now, what is the method in this? But one relaxation in that, in this question, the method of reduction of order, you will be provided one solution. Because y1 is the question. You will provided one equation, one for solution. So you will be given y1. So just you have to find y2 only. What is y2? y1 will be given to you. So you are supposed to find only y2. Right. So once y1 given, y2 ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే జనరల్లీ y1 and y2 ఆర్ మనకు తెలిసిందంటే లీనియర్లీ ఇండిపెండెంట్. కంపల్సరీ లీనియర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఉంటాయి. వాట్స్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ లీనియర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ అమ్మా? లీనియర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ మీన్స్ ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ the ratio of the function is not constant. Constant ఉంటే డిపెండెంట్, కాన్స్టెంట్ లేకపోతే ఇండిపెండెంట్. కాన్స్టెంట్ కాకపోతే ఏమొస్తుంది? We get some function of x, some u of x we get. So ratio of two functions is a function of x again, and then the y2 can be written as u into y1, means some u of x into y1. So now in this method we assume the second solution as the product of first solution into some unknown function. Students, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So in the method of reduction of order, first solution will be given to you, one solution, and the second solution, we assume the second solution as product of first solution with a unknown function. ఇది మనకు తెలియదు, ఇది మనం ఫైండ్ చేయాలి, మన వర్క్ ఇదే, ఇది చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ యూ? వాట్ ఈస్ యూ ఈస్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, నౌ u formula given to you. What is the u formula? U is equal to integration v dx. What is v? V is 1 by y1 square into e power integration p dx. This is formula number. This is formula for v1. What is p? P is a1 by a0. What is a1? What is a0? A1 is y dash coefficient in the given equation. A0 is y double dash coefficient. A1 is y dash coefficient and A0 is y double dash coefficient. Its ratio is your P. So once we find A0, A1, then the ratio gives P. Y1 is given to already, ఇది మనకు తెలుసు, ఇది వచ్చు, ఇది వచ్చు. And then we can find V. Once we find V, then we can find U. Integration of V gives U. After getting U, just you can find Y2 using U into Y. This is a formula అమ్మా. ఈ 3 ఫార్ములా గుర్తుంచుకోండి. This pure formula based topic ఇది. Remember formulas. First solution is the second solution formula direct and y2 is equal to u into y1, where u is equal to integration v dx, where v is equal to 1 by y1 square into e power integration p dx. That's it. ఇది ఎలా వచ్చింది అనేది డెరివేషన్ ఉంది, క్లియర్లీ బిఎస్ గ్రేవాల్లో మెన్షన్ చేసినామా, బట్ నాట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ డెరివేషన్. బట్ ఫర్ క్యూర్ మీకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే చూడండి, డెరివేషన్ తెలుసుకుంటే మీకు కూడా ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది, కాన్సెప్ట్ పైన ఐడియా వస్తుంది. ఓకే, నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫార్ములా కాదు, కాన్సెప్ట్ కూడా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి. వన్స్ యూ చెక్ ద డెరివేషన్ క్లియర్లీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇన్ ద బుక్. ఓకే, సో వై నౌ లెట్స్ డూ వన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఆన్ మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ డిడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్డర్. It is not given here. So we'll go to our PPT. Yeah, method of detection order already posted in the classroom. You can check. So about Wronskian, some details given here. Wronskian will be కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. You can check that. This is completely about Wronskian. So method of detection of order. See this. The second solution is y2 is equal to u into y1 and u is equal to integration v into dx and v is equal to 1 by y1 square into e power minus integration px dx. What is p? A1 by a0. So once we find y1, y1, y2, finally write the solution as some c1 into y1 plus c2 into y2, where ab ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చారు. AB not functions, AB are constants, clearly parameters there. Okay, now one problem, let us discuss one problem here. So I will explain one problem on PPT and explain some problems on paper. First problem I will discuss in paper PPT lo, later we will discuss on paper. Find the solution of the differential equation if one of its solution is known. So question ఎలా వస్తుందో చూడండి. The problems on the method of reduction of order, generally in the question one solution will be given to you. One of its solution is known, that is 1 by x. See the question. X square y double dash plus 4x y dash plus 2y is equal to 0. And the first one solution is 1 by x. Now we have to find y2 of x. First, right? It is known that 1 by x is one of the solution of the differential equation. Student question cat first model. Question may ask in the first way or second way. It is known that 1 by x is a solution of the differential equation. Then find the second linear independent solution by the method of order of reduction. But you have to remember that this is the problem based on method of order of reduction. Okay, let us go to the procedure. First step, let y1 denote y1 as 1 by x. Now write the second solution as y2 is equal to u into y1x, where u we don't know, but y1 we know, that is 1 by x. So u into 1 by x. Now let us proceed for u. Before going to find u, let us find p value. What is a1, what is a2, a0? A1, a0 మనకు కావాలి. What is a0? y double
X
dash
square.
coefficient. Y double dash coefficient. And a1 is y dash coefficient. What is a naught x square? a1 4x. a2 no needama, a2 to maku sambandham ledu. a naught a1 important. Okay. And then you compare the given equation with standard form. a naught y double dash plus a1 y dash plus a2 y is equal to 0. a naught x square, a1 4x. Now p value is a1 by a naught and 4x by x square, that is 4 by x. So now we find all the values p and y1. If you know p value, y1 value, then we can find v value. What is v value? 1 by y1 square into e power minus px ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ px. సో ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ గుర్తుంచుకోవడం ఈజీ కదమ్మా, మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిన వస్తాయి. You supposed to practice at least 2-3 problems on this method, then only you can remember these formulas. Okay, v is equal to 1 by y1 square into e power minus integration 3x dx. Substitute all values. 1 by x whole square into e power minus integration 4 by x dx. So simplify చేయండి. Reciprocal of 1 by x square e power minus 4 into log x వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. That is nothing but log of x power minus 4 అంటే x power 4 వస్తుంది by. So x square into x power minus 4, that is 1 by x square. What is v value here? 1 by x square. This integration మీకు తెలుసమ్మా, ఇది నాట్ హార్డ్ ఏం లేదు, చిన్న చిన్న ఇంటిగ్రేషన్స్ you can do this. So we got v is equal to 1 by x square. Now find the u using v. U value in the integration of v. Now integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. So u value is minus 1 by x. Now substitute u in y2. What is y2? U into y1. Okay, minus 1 by x into 1 by x. That is minus 1 by x square. So we got y1 and y2. y1 is 1 by x, y2 is minus 1 by x square. Substitute these two values in the general solution. This is not general solution, complete solution. Both are same. Complete solution is some constant into y1 plus some other constant into y2. చాలా సింపుల్ మెథడ్ అమ్మది, చాలా సింపుల్ మెథడ్, ఈజీ టు స్కోర్ ద మార్క్స్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ మెథడ్. ఇది లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్లో బిట్స్లో ఇస్తారు, ఏబీలో ఇస్తారు. కంప్లీట్లీ ఫుల్ లెంత్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవ్వరు, అంత వెయిటేజ్ ఉండదు దీనికి. బట్ మెథడ్ 5 వెయిటేజ్ క్వశ్చన్ అమ్మా, ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ సైన్ ఎక్స్, ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ కాస్ ఎక్స్, చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. లెంతీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అవి. యూ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, so this also same model, y double dash minus y dash minus x is equal to 0. Now this problem clearly constant coefficient equation. మనం డైరెక్ట్ దాంతో కూడా చేయొచ్చు, మనం జనరల్ ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. we can write the auxiliary equation m square minus m minus 6 is equal to 0. అమ్మా ఒక స్టూడెంట్స్ 1 minute. Yeah. So students, so we can solve. Suppose method of reduction of order not mentioned in the question, then you can proceed to general method. Method 1 is there. Any method you can apply. Homogeneous form equation, constant coefficient equation. Write f of d of y is equal to 0. Find the equation, auxiliary equation, f of m is equal to 0. Find the roots. Write the solution directly. But if method of order reduction mentioned in the question, then you must follow this procedure only. మెథడ్ మెన్షన్ చేస్తే మాత్రం ఇదే చేయండి, మెథడ్ మెన్షన్ చేయకపోతే జనరల్గా చేయండి. బికాస్ సిన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాన్స్టెంట్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఈక్వేషన్, అది వేరియబుల్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ అయితే మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ రిలేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్డర్. ఇది క్వశ్చన్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ వై డబల్ డాష్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ వై డాష్ ప్లస్ some function x square minus 1 by 4 into y is equal to 0. అసలు లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేస్తున్నామండి, బట్ నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఫంక్షన్ మనకు. A2, that is A2 no use. We need only A0 A1. Y double dash coefficient to Y dash coefficient to చాలు. Y coefficient something is there. Whatever it is log x ఉండొచ్చు ఏముండొచ్చు. That is no use in this method. Okay. So here one of the solutions given. What is that? Y1 is equal to 1 by root x into sin x. Okay. X to power minus 1 by 2 into sin x. Y1 given. Now question is find the complete solution. Let us proceed. As usual, first step, find A0, A1 and write the second solution as u into y1. U, we don't know what is u, but we are going to find that according to this method. Now A0 is x square, A1 is x, and the A2 value x square minus 1 by 4. No use of that is. Actually, this equation is called a Legendre differential equation. This will be discussed in unit 5, unit 4. Special equations these are. P value and P value into A0, A1 by A0, and x by x square, 1 by x. V value. Once we find P and y1 already given, so once we find P, we can find V directly. V is equal to 1 by y1 square into e power minus of integration P of x to dx. So substitute all values in this. 1 by y1 square and 1 by x power minus 1 by 2 into sin x whole square into e power minus of 1 by x to dx, that is log x. Okay, 1 by x వస్తుంది. E power minus log x is nothing but 1 by x. Substitute all values. So denominator లో x power minus 1, numerator లో x power minus 1, ఇక్కడ e power minus 1 ఇచ్చారమ్మా, that is not correct. Please make that correction. 1 by last step, 1 by e power minus 1 place లో x power minus 1 రాసుకోండి. Into numerator లో x power minus, both gets cancelled. So finally we get 1 by sin square, that is cosecant square. అంటే v of x is equal to cosecant square. Integration clear చూడండి. Simplification of v, cosecant square x వచ్చింది. Any doubts ma in this integration? Step by step lo?
No, sir.
Okay, right. So these are, I think, basic integrations and no need. So now we know u value is integration v. Integration cosecant, you know, cosecant square minus cot. So we get u value also. U is equal to minus cot. Now substituting u in y2, we get y2 is equal to u into y1. That is minus cot into x power minus 1 by 2 into sin. Cot into sin is cos. So finally we get minus cos into x power minus 1 by 2. Substituting y2 and y1 in the general solution formula, we get a into y1 plus b into y2. So taking common x power minus 1 by 2, we get a sin x plus b cos x. Students, so by this topic, unit 3 completed now. In unit 3, we discussed about homogeneous differential equations, linear differential equations with constant coefficients. Second topic, non-homogeneous linear differential equations with constant coefficients. And the third topic, Euler-Cauchy differential equation and the variable coefficients. And the fourth topic, method of variation of parameters. Fifth topic, method of reduction of order. Okay, so next class we will start unit 4, that is special functions. Okay, no? Right. So all of you, attendance in chat box and leave the session. Thank you.